Hey adventurers! Welcome back to my channel, your go-to source for all things travel, especially when it comes to exploring more for less. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you love discovering affordable vacation secrets. Thanks for joining us today as we dive into the world of low-season vacations at peak season hotspots. You won't believe the unique experiences and savings waiting for you. When we talk about low-season vacations, we're looking at the magic of visiting popular destinations during their quieter months. Imagine having the trails to yourself, enjoying serene landscapes, and all that without breaking the bank. Today, we're uncovering why off-season could be the best season for your next adventure. Benefits of off-season travel. First up, let's talk about the benefits. Off-season travel isn't just easier on your wallet. It's a whole new way to experience your favorite destinations. Without the crowds, you get a more authentic feel of the place, better interactions with locals, and an opportunity to enjoy activities that are simply too crowded or too expensive during peak times. Exploring alternative activities. Think ski resorts are just for winter? Think again. Places like these transform into playgrounds for mountain biking, hiking, and even wildflower tours in the off-season. Let's take a closer look at what you can do when the snow melts away. How to plan your off-season vacation. Planning your off-season getaway requires a bit of research, but fear not. Start by checking the weather and what's open, as some attractions might have limited hours. Don't forget to look for off-season deals on accommodations and activities. The savings can be substantial. Tips for off-season travel. Ready to pack your bags? Here are some quick tips to make the most of your off-season adventure. Always have layers for unpredictable weather. Be flexible with your plans, and most importantly, keep an open mind for unexpected opportunities. There you have it, folks, your guide to unlocking the hidden gems of off-season vacations. We'd love to hear about your experiences or any tips you might have, so drop a comment below. And if you found this guide helpful, share it with a friend who loves to travel. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks and secrets, and hit that thumbs up if you're excited about your next low-season adventure. Thanks for watching, and see you on the trails.